I like to fuck men.
What kind of men? You like your men like you like your coffee, strong and black?
I like my men like 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 my fucking I don't know.
You like, you like your men like you like your fucking. Yep.
Yep.
Like you like your fucking rough.
Yeah.
I like him of age. That's it.
Of age?
Unlike you, Ted, I don't fucking go that far.
Uh,
See, I like my men. Ted likes his boys. If you know what I'm saying.
I'm mature. I'm mature.
Yeah, you're mature, but you
Oh,
whatever's
mate.
hanging off your dick isn't very mature.
What was that?
I said you may be mature, but whatever's hanging off the end of your dick definitely isn't.
Are you calling my missus immature?
I'm calling you a pedophile, cunt.
Can I confirm or deny?
Oh. Fuck's sake.
So Sleepy, you're 13, yeah? That's what
Yeah,
you were telling me
also
when we
your
met.
missus is 13, bro.
I can't go younger than 13 though. That's my cut-off limit.
Yeah, but still, you should set that cutoff limit a bit fucking further up.
Yeah.
What, you think I should go 10?
That's down. I had a smell. I thought you fucked kids. You know the smell of someone that is fucking a kid? Like, you can walk by a room and smell it and go, there's a kid being fucked in there, you know what I mean?
How have you been around that?
What are you talking about?
When are you?
I bet it smells like cologne and baby powder or something.
Jesus, that's just what a good healthy household smells like. Baby powder. What the fuck? Cologne and baby powder. You're not allowed to smell good or be fresh.
No, it's just, the baby powder for the fucking...
Dude, baby powder was fucking amazing. I remember that as a kid. I don't remember as a
Yeah,
baby, but I remember as a kid how soft it made shit.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
you remember the baby powder and Sleep remembers the cologne.
Yeah, Ted brought the baby powder.
Hey, shut up, I'm trying to have a coke. Can't breathe properly.
Said I brought the cologne. And we had a whale of a time. That's
Ah,
right.
shush.
Oh fuck!
It's hard. It's
Oh,
hard.
I'm crying. Fucking hell.